hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these antique mirror earrings with paper. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to do these mirror earrings with buckram paper. They look so elegant and are light in weight. Also, they are very trending these days and are perfect for this upcoming Diwali festival. So do watch the entire video and let's get started now. Take a buckram paper and stick a round shaped mirror on it and let it dry for some time. Now take a gold stone chain and stick around the mirror. After you're done, paint it with the gold color nail polish or gold color paint. Now cut it out this way. I would love to thank Kamala Arts and Embellishment Art and Craft for your love and support. Take some antique kundans and start sticking around the gold chain one by one. Also, if you do want to get featured in my next video, all you have to do is watch my videos and comment down below. And I will pick one of your comments in my next video. You can use round kundans or any other color, whatever you would like to do it. Your earring is almost done over here. Now you need few eye pins, chain and hook. Take an eye pin and open up with the plier. And now insert one hook and one end of the chain into it and close it up. Now attach two eye pins to the ends of the chain. Remember, the chains should be equal in length. And also, depending upon the size of the earring, you can make longer chains or shorter chains. And if you like the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button. Now the eye pin you have inserted the hook and the two chains, cut it out to make it short. And this is how it looks. Also, you need a stone ball. Attach it to the pin as well. Well, these are all the things you need. And let's assemble them together. Take your earring base and apply some glue and stick the stone ball in the center of the earring. And glue the pins at the ends of the earring. Lastly, glue another piece of buckram paper over it. And this is how it looks. To finish it off, apply gold color paint or nail polish over the back of the earring. And that's it, you're done. Your beautiful antique paper mirror earrings are completed. They look so grand and are very stylish. Well, they are perfect for this Diwali season, so do try it once. do check out my channel, and I have already made few mirror jewelry videos, so don't forget to take a look over them. If you do like this video, please do like the video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please press that bell icon so you don't have to miss any updates. So meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting and happy advanced Diwali.